Good afternoon, mga loves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How can I tell her? She knows when I'm sad. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times. She's gone in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk of tomorrow. I tell her things that I want to do, but girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. Oh girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss you whenever I'm away? How can I see it's you I think of every single night and day? But when you speak, it's easy. Getting someone were true. Oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. Oh girl, won't you tell me how you tell her about you? Thank you for watching and God bless.